some CDs in my hand. And you normally go to the selector to get them played. I wanted my songs to play, but I was not the aggressive type to go and say, play this, you know. Aggressive on stage, but not like that in real life. She said, give me the song then. And she took it to the selector. I didn't know what transpired until the selector called me crying. Mama, I can't believe you said bad man to me. Because me didn't play your song in on the girl. I said, what? You see, people could kill me. Because she give the song to her peoples and go bad up the man. Hear me? Some of you don't want me to talk because you want it to remain alive. You know, I put the pulpit away. When I got saved, your baby father called me. So much things. And I said, I don't want to hear it. I want to let me pray for you and her. When you live in my house because you beat up the man baby mother come to look for his baby and you fight her up. Fight her, you come tell me them have to take me off her come and bite her up. They throw you out of that place and I took you in. I put you in my mother room. There was no room that was not furnished. Only one of the kitchen upstairs were being built and I put it on pause. I put it on pause to put your furnitures in there. Lal, your baby father is a good man. He's a good man. When the baby was in his pampas, full of mess, you stand at the door and the baby's crying. And you look around and say, better pick up that what's it cloth. That man make nipple buckle constant. Is him do it, not you. It's since you make money, you start acting like your good baby mother. That man used to walk with you with a t-shirt that say your name and team. And he promotes with you. He took care of his son. Yeah? Hear me tell you. You do me some evil. And you reverse the lie for them to be in your favor. You say me bad mind you over song with Missy. I was Missy friend. I was the one who went to Missy and did a song. I leave my track with her and my voice. And you carry news to my Chinese friend. Separate me from her completely and flew up. Just like she and I flew up to Missy. And you come back, you did a song and blocked me from the song. Yeah? She was the one that opened my Twitter. Block my Twitter, hack it, mash it up, and start putting stuff on it. The Facebook, I was to get back my Facebook through James Goring. There's so much to say. And then they would know the true you, but I don't want people to hate you. You hear me? I'm a true woman of God. Don't do that. I love you as a sister. You were standing at my doorway one day and we're looking out in the yard. And out of the side of my eye, the corner of my eye, I see you looking at me some way. You wanted to be me so much that you come in my house. On my birthday, you bought a dog and somebody said, mine, you know. Mine, they OBEAH the dog there and bring it come. I have friends who say, what are you doing? There's something about that girl. Don't move her in your house. When we went to the club in New Kingston and I gave my man money and I said, bring back the change. Take some out of it. And I couldn't find him. And when we were passing and you saw the guy, you drew up the guy and started being vulgar. That was the first time I saw that. You are not the friend I want to be around. And I'm like, yeah, calm down, why are you doing that? Yeah? When you live at my house, you behave so bad, you fight with your man, you you're gonna tell them that you were on my life. You remember the day when I go, that was your name, but you want me to mention your name to interfere with me because you asked me to do a song to put on your album and I turn you down. Tell them the truth. VP. You even said, no, she not do it, she don't like me. And the lady says, not like she don't like you, she don't like what you're doing. And it's the same thing. I see my little sister Sensia going down, and that's why I reach out to her. You can't handle yourself, you know to tell lie to everybody. Yeah? Lal, you're a good baby father. One day, you reverse. He's talking to you, and you take the vehicle, you put the baby in there, and you reverse the vehicle, and lick your baby father. And the garbage can was there, right out by the light post. And when he grabbed a big stone to throw in the vehicle, my sister said, no, remember the baby in there. You're a terrible woman. You're such a liar and a pretender. You copy everything that I did back then. You know why me and Maka clash? Because of you. You carry news and tell me, you sit in the seat going to England. You remember when they threw us out of the hotel? They never threw me out of any hotel, but because of your dirty behavior, they threw us out of the hotel. Don't cut up anything. When I mentioned that you stay at my yard and you will go down in the... What I wanted to say was for the young lady, Sensia, to not follow up with you. Because once she's toe-to-toe with you, you're not going to stop until you bring her down to come out of dancehall. You hear what your OBEAH man say, is him get me out? Yeah? You hear that? You never even come clean and say to the man, you lying, she no OBEAH nothing for me. You see? Church people are not perfect people, sir or ma'am. You all was running with what she was saying. But now I want to talk. You're talking foolishness for me to shut off. Have been accused. You hear me say kiss out my Bible. You no longer have it. Ask them who started out with me. I am speaking. So the reason I took you in, and you call, you're talking about money. All right. I went to Jabba show in Miami. You were not on the bill. You were not on the bill. They were saying you didn't have a permit or a permit at the time. While I was at the hotel, I see you walking about Qatar, and you came into Miami just to make trouble. My time was at a certain time. Like say 8:30. I saw you with Chris from VP and a whole lot of girls. When I went to hug Chris, he's kind of cringe up. I'm like, what's that? Come in, Chris. Ooh. But then they wanted my time to give you because you wanted my time. Because if I go up before you, I was going to do what I used to do. But if you go up, you're going to copy everything I do. So then I would have to find something else to do. So because I didn't give you my time, you went on the internet and you start all kind of girl this and that, and then you and I have a big brawl on the internet. That's it. Because you wanted to do out everything, my performance, before I could go up there, and I didn't allow you to, and you get mad and you start. And I took down my things off the Twitter, but you, because you're you left yours there. This woman, Lady Anne, I just see you around. One it wonder. I see you around. I saw you at Royal Wilkinson or one of them parks. There was a big show, and as soon as Blue Ear Smurf see you, you and her in a one dirty war. Dirty war. And I had was to pull her and draw her up the way up there for the war to stop. But because you hate me so much, because when I stepped on the field in dancehall, everything changed. So you hate me. say I killed Jacob Green. My lawyer is gonna sue you. She lining up everything. So look out for that. Just so you know. Just so you know. You were never talented. I don't know if anybody ever tell you. You were not talented. You were forcing yourself into music. That is not talent. Yeah? And all of you were up there cuss bad word. At one time I find myself a cuss bad word bad. And it was on Sting. Blue Ear Smurf, you're afraid, you're coward. When Lisa Hype and Nuffy was on radio with Raga Shanti, you tremble like leaf and come to me. I say, to get bad, out of control, worry. I say, what you want me to do? Yeah. You're afraid of little Lisa Hype, and me you are going like you can't stand up against. That is because I'm not in the world no more while you're doing this. When it was time for war over Sting, you disappear and tell people you're the Africa. Nothing like that. You're afraid, you're coward. You had was to ask me to stop the war that Lisa Hype, because Lisa Hype was spreading out everything like a dirty carpet. And I call and I say, I do it like it's me, and I say, big woman thing. Hey sir, it don't look good. You, don't look good. So it come off like it's me. Me being the mom of dancehall then. It come off like that. It was you who begged me to stop it. You lie. You're a liar. All kind of things you lie about. We were in the Bahamas and Beanie Man was in the police hat on the side, and you come winding up yourself in front between the man leg. But because you didn't hear a little, everything I do you want to copy, because Beanie didn't make a little pass at me and with trouble him and laugh about it. You wanted to say the same thing. You said the man come in, I don't know nothing about nothing. You say ask me, I don't know. Because if you wind up on the man so in the pool, what you did expect? Yeah? You worried because you see me dressing up. And you're wondering what she up to. And you feel like I'm coming over there. No, I was not coming over there. And if I was coming over there, just like Moses, he was in the house of Pharaoh, right? And when God sent him up, you think what he did and run away, it was not ordained? God was to move him out of Egypt, to anoint him, to send him back. How do you know if it's not my calling to go back to save souls? I don't hate you, but you're wicked. You mash up me and the Chinese girl just to get into Missy. Everybody you go among tell lie on people. Yeah? You say you write a song for disrespect, Miss Stevens. You said it. So if you're so bad, why me have to write it for you? Let me tell you how Tifa became my enemy. Love Tifa. People of God, I was dating somebody years ago. And this lady turned up from Canada and said she was with him. Long story short, I left. I knew Tifa since she was young. You know, I respect her mother. She even come to party up by my house with her mother, and they brought champagne and stuff. Love the little girl. Yeah? I heard that she asked Blue Ear Smurf to do a song. And she did not do the song, but she stole the lyrics out of the song. Now, I myself could say some things about lyrics being picked out of songs, but I big bigger than that. So, she called one day, she said, they twist up well, me if it come a studio, I'm not going to not going down there because, you know, it's different now. But only that I'm going to say about it. You know, she tell the girl after, that is me, tell her don't come and do the song. So there goes the girl become an enemy now.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.